Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on repeating or looping songs on the Seat Arona Infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to loop songs on the Seat Arona. Tap the media button to the left of the screen. Then tap repeat in the bottom left. If you press it once, it will repeat the song only. There will be a number 1 beside the repeat symbol. If you press repeat again, the album or playlist will be repeated. You know that repeat is on when there is a red line above it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.